Let's talk Steam Machine today. So I am very fortunate to have been chosen by Valve to have the opportunity to buy a Steam Machine. I've been in the queue for a while, but my time finally came and it is time to open it up. So I got the 512 gigabyte bundle with the regular Steam Machine and a Steam controller. I was in the queue for a Steam controller and they ended up sending me the invite the day after I got my Steam Machine invite. So I only need one controller, so someone else gets my controller invite. Now, once you open it up, you'll see you have both boxes in here, the Steam controller and a little assembly, and then the Steam Machine itself. We're going to set the machine aside for a second and focus on the controller first. So here you go. You open up the box and it is another box in here. Don't know why there's two boxes, but hey, shipping regulations. Next up, we're going to open this with our little pull tab, and we will have our first view of the brand new Steam controller, and there it is. This is a lot different than the Steam controller that Valve made before. This one has two touchpads, two thumbsticks, two triggers, two shoulder buttons, face buttons, D-pad, and grip sensors on the back, plus a gyro. Anything that has ever been an input on a controller is on here. You've also got the little 2.4 gigahertz charging puck, and up in the top of the box is your USB-C to USB-A cable. I don't know why everyone still wants to do USB-A. We really should be switching everything to USB-C on both ends, but I digress. It's a very nice controller. If you want just the controller itself, that's going to run you $99. So we're going to put this back together and we're going to throw this box over to the side while we bring in the main event. Just the Steam Machine itself will run you $1,050, but if you want to save a little bit of money, you can get a bundle with the Steam controller and the Steam Machine together. That will run you $1,128. So, taking a look at the outsides of the box, you've got your regulatory information, your labels, your fun little diagrams, and your table of contents, in which you will be getting an HDMI cable, a power cable, and of course, the Steam Machine itself. Another pull tab down here at the bottom is going to let us take a peek in here. The box opens kind of a weird way. You can't really see it right here, but the front flap opens towards you, and then you lift it up to unveil a smaller looking box inside of the box, the Steam Machine itself, and this little papery, plasticky, velvety enclosure. Up in the top, you have a quick start guide. I recommend that almost nobody reads this because I think you kind of know what you're going to get if you're spending the money on a Steam Machine. So we'll pop that little piece of cardboard back in there and we'll take a look at what's on the bottom of the box. And I already said what it is. You know what's going to be in here. Two cables. On the left, we've got our power cable, and on the right, you have the HDMI cable. All right, we'll go ahead and swipe this out of the way and look at the box itself. You can unpeel the adhesive on the little protective layer here and push that down, and you've got yourself a Steam Machine. Yeah, it's got another little layer of plastic on it, as if one layer on the outside wasn't enough, but I digress. Again, there it is, the Steam Machine. You can see that little removable faceplate on the front, your two USB-As on the front, and an SD card. This is not going to be a review. I'm not going to go over specs. I'm not going to go over any of that right here. I just wanted you to see what the unboxing experience was like for this Steam Machine bundle. However, in the future, I will have a full review of the controller, a full review of the Steam Machine, and what it's like to live in the Valve ecosystem of the machine, the deck, and the controller now. So get subscribed and stay tuned for those videos. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again later.